In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Jira Cloud for project management from scratch. If you're a software engineer, project manager, or any working professional, you've probably heard of Jira. A lot of people know it's powerful, but they also feel intimidated the moment they open it. The interface can look busy at first, and when your work is spread across spreadsheets, chats, and random notes, it becomes very easy for tasks to slip through the cracks. In this guide, I'll walk you through a simple way to get started with Jira Cloud so your team can track work clearly and move faster. To begin, open your preferred browser and go to i.atlassian.com. From there, you can sign up for a free account. One of the quickest options is to continue with Google, then complete the email verification. After that, Jira will ask you to choose a unique site domain for your workspace. Pick a name that fits your team or project, and once that's done, your cloud dashboard will be ready in just a few moments. When the dashboard loads, go to the top menu, click Projects, and choose Create Project. Jira gives you several templates, but for most teams, Scrum or Kanban is a great place to start. To keep things simple, choose a team-managed project, enter your project name, and click Create. That will generate your new project board. By default, the board usually starts with columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. That's a good start, but many teams need more detail in their workflow. On the far right, use the option to add another column and shape the board around how your team actually works. A common flow might begin with backlog, then move to in progress, then code review or QA, testing, and finally live and done. This makes it much easier for everyone to understand the current stage of each task at a glance. Next, let's create your first task. Click the Create button at the top of the screen. In the window that appears, select the issue type, such as story, task, or bug. Then add a short, clear summary. In the description field, keep it structured using 3 parts: who the user is, what they want to do, and why it matters. This helps your team understand the requirement quickly without reading a long paragraph. Once that's filled out, click Create, and the task will appear on your board. As work begins, updating progress is simple. Just click and drag the task card from one column to another, such as moving it into In Progress. That instantly updates the task status for everyone viewing the board. Jira also includes helpful AI tools. If a task has a long comment thread, open it and use the Summarize Comments feature to get the key points quickly. You can also type /AI in supported text fields to help generate content like descriptions or release notes. Before you finish, do one final check of your board. Make sure project and task names look correct, cards are sitting in the proper columns, and the layout appears clean and organized. Once everything looks right, your Jira workspace is ready to go. With this setup, you can bring scattered work into one place, reduce manual status updates, and manage projects much more confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.